Good morning, children. Welcome back to the E class of St. Joseph's Academy. I hope you all are taking best care of yourself. Topic of the day is Indian food. Chapter 20, page number 24. Children, all of us need food as it helps us to live and grow. After we play, study, or work, we feel hungry, weak, and tired. Children, food gives us energy to work as well as to play. Children, we eat 3 meals a day. Food we eat in the morning after we wake up is known as breakfast, and the food we eat in the afternoon is known as lunch. Children, food we eat at night before going to bed is known as dinner. Children, dinner should always be light. Children, all meals should be eaten at the right time. Food makes our body strong and healthy. Take out your notebook, children, and write down the name of the food items that you had yesterday in breakfast, in lunch, and in dinner. Children, I hope you have written your answers. If you need more time, you can pause this video. Children, now on the same page, write down the name of your favorite dish. I hope all of you have a favorite dish. Children, I hope you all have written the answers. If you need more time, you can pause this video and write your answer. Children, we cannot survive without food. Food is one of the necessities of every living being. It fulfills the requirement of our body, and the right amount of nutrition enhances metabolism and helps in the overall development of our body. Children, different people have different preferences. Some people prefer spicy food, whereas some people prefer sweet food. In India, we have large variety of food coming from different states. Children, although we all are Indians, yet the style of cooking and taste preference varies based on the religion and region. Children, let us now come to our topic, Indian food. Children, Indian dishes are popular all around the world for its taste and variety. People travel long distances to enjoy the delicious food. Children, there are so many things that you cannot forget about India. But one of them is the tasty dishes of India. Children, Indian food is as diverse as its people and geography. Children, I have already told you that Indians eat by region and religion, which means people of different region and religion have different preferences. For example, people of North India enjoys flatbread, whereas people of South India prefer rice. In Kerala and Bengal, fish dishes are important. In states like Rajasthan, food is primarily vegetarian, and Rajasthanis use ghee for cooking most of the dishes. People of Kashmir do not use garlic and onion in their food. South Indians usually prefer drinking coffee after having their meals. Children, let us now discuss the exercise that is given on page number 24 of your general knowledge book. You have to identify and write the name of the state to which these food items belong. Children, the first one is biryani, and it is a popular dish of Kerala. So in the first blank you have to write Kerala. The spelling is Kerala. Kerala. I am repeating the spelling, children. Kerala. Kerala. Children, biryani is a famous Indian subcontinent dish that is popular all around the world. And it is one such mouth-watering dish that is enjoyed by people along with their family and friends. Chicken biryani, mutton biryani, and veg biryani are some of the variants of this delicious dish. Children, the dish is sometimes topped with fresh herbs and dried fruits, and it is served with gravy and raita. Children, the next dish is rasgulla. Rasgulla is a popular dessert of West Bengal. So in the second blank you have to write West Bengal. The spelling is WEST, West, BENGAL, Bengal. I am repeating the spelling, children. WEST, BENGAL, West Bengal. Children, rasgulla is soft and light, and it looks like a snowball, and it melts in no time. Children, rasgulla is also known as syrup-filled roll. Children, the next food item is bhel puri. It is a popular food item of Maharashtra. So, in the third blank you have to write Maharashtra. The spelling is MAHARASHTRA. I'm repeating the spelling, children. MAHARASHTRA. Maharashtra. Children, it is a delicious snack. Children, it is made of puffed rice, vegetables, and tangy sauce. In Mumbai, Bhel Puri is enjoyed as a comfort snack. Children, Bhel Puri always tastes good when prepared and served immediately. Children, the next dish is dosa. Dosa is a popular dish of Andhra Pradesh. The spelling is ANDHRA. Andhra. Now PRADESH. Pradesh. I am repeating the spelling, children. ANDHRA. Now PRADESH. Andhra Pradesh. Children, it is rich in carbohydrates and proteins. And dosa can be plain and stuffed. Children, dosa is served with sambar and chutney. Children, one stuffed dosa can provide your body with most of the required vitamins and nutrients. Children, the next dish is idli. It is a popular dish of Tamil Nadu. So in the fifth blank, you have to write Tamil Nadu. The spelling is TAMIL Tamil NADU. I am repeating the spelling, children. TAMIL Tamil NADU. Nadu. Tamil Nadu. Children, idli is served with chutney, sambar and ghee, and it is a complete nutrition for any time of the day. Children, idlis are soft and fluffy. Children, the next food item is dhokla. It is a popular food item of Gujarat. So in the sixth column, you have to write Gujarat. The spelling is GUJARAT. Gujarat. I am repeating the spelling, children. GUJARAT. Gujarat. Children, dhokla can be eaten for breakfast, as the main course, or as a snack. It has low calories and it is a healthy and protein-packed food. Children, dhokla is cooked with little or no oil at all. Children, the next dish is dal bhati churma. It is a popular dish of Rajasthan. The spelling is RAJASTHAN. I am repeating the spelling, children. RAJASTHAN. Rajasthan. Children, dal is made up of lentils and dal can be little spicy. Bati is baked or grilled wheat flour dough, and the churma is sweet. It is made up of sugar, wheat flour and dry fruits. Children, the next dish is sarson ka saag, and it is a popular dish of Punjab. The spelling of Punjab is PUNJAB. Punjab. I am repeating the spelling, children. PUNJAB. Punjab. Children, it is made up of sarson and spices such as ginger and garlic, and it is often served with makke ki roti. Sarson ka saag is specially eaten in winter season. Children, the last food item is poha. It is a popular food item of Madhya Pradesh. The spelling is MADHYA. Madhya. PRADESH. Pradesh. I am repeating the spelling, children. MADHYA. Madhya. PRADESH. Madhya Pradesh. Children, poha is a wholesome meal and it is a good source of carbohydrates and iron. Children, poha is light on the stomach and it can easily be digested. Children, I will see you in another video. Goodbye. Take care.